Hey, what is up, entrepreneurs? What's going on? This is Billy Josie, uh, the new generation marketer here in Jacksonville, Florida. And I thought I would just come over here to you guys on my fan page. And I wanted to share something with you. If you are an affiliate marketer, I think if you're a home business entrepreneur, I have something for you, and I lift the link up here at the bottom, at the top here in this video. And it's a book that I came across that I think you will like if you are an affiliate marketer or home business entrepreneur, or if you're on this page. The name of the book is called Listbuilding Lifestyle: Confessions of an Email Millionaire. And in this book is filled with lots of good nuggets, lots of things that you can do to grow your income in your business, basically by growing your list. This book is by one of the most successful affiliate marketers that I know of, an 8-figure earner. And in this book, he reveals all of his secrets, I think, from A to Z. So whether you are a new person wanting to learn how to earn money using an email list, you will enjoy this book. It's called List Building Lifestyle, Confessions of an Email Millionaire. It's a free book. All you do is you pay like shipping and handling. But I wanted to come and just tell you, straight about the free download. Download today, consume it. I mean, you can consume it maybe in a couple hours. It's that good, but I think you'll find if you have never made any money online, or if you've never made money as an affiliate marketer or a home business entrepreneur, I think you'll love this book. Again, it's a free download and you only pay the shipping and handling. So that's it. I wanted to cut this quick live video for you guys. God bless you. This is Billy Josie here in Jacksonville, Florida, the new generation marketer, signing off. Good night.